Hello everybody! Today I bring you another organizational video. In this tutorial, I will show you how to organize your clothes by folding them the Konmari way, saving tons of space. You will also learn to DIY affordable dividers to separate and categorize your clothes, and to update a boring and basic dresser by decoupaging it with your choice of beautiful craft paper. So let's begin. So me and my husband share this dresser. The 3 left drawers are mine, and we have the rest of our clothes in our closet. But as you can tell, my clothes are pretty much folded, but when I look for an item, I just move everything around and it just gets so messy. In my side of the dresser, I have pajamas, I have t-shirts, and I also have some workout gear. And as always, the first thing that I do when I start an organizational project is just empty the space that I'm working on. I personally like to do this just because I want to see what type of items I have and I use. I also want to purge some clothes and also to clean the area I'm working on. After my dressers are emptied, I'm going to start cleaning with this Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Honeysuckle scent. And I'm just using a microfiber or any rag to sweep all the dusts and crumbs that it might have. My clothes was kind of overflowing in the drawer, so I thought that I needed more space, and I purchased a foam board at Target. And right now what I'm doing is just measuring the interior of my drawer, the length, the width, and also the depth, and I'm going to cut my foam board accordingly to make some dividers. I'm using a measuring tape because that's what I found laying around my house, but you can also use a ruler, of course. And now what I'm doing is just tracing the exact measurement in my foam board, and I am just dotting little lines with my pen, and then I'm going to connect the dots so that I can have a straight line and I can start cutting my foam board. With an X-Acto knife and with a flat surface, right now I'm using just a really hard desk type of thingy so that it's in between the bed and the foam board, and very carefully use your X-Acto knife because you do have to apply a little bit of pressure, so just be very careful when you're cutting your foam board. When you have the exact number of foam board dividers, you are going to introduce them inside of your drawer, and I'm just applying a little bit of pressure just because they are the exact measurement that I wanted, and that's great because they're not going to move. You can also play with the placement of them to make whatever design you want. So I was feeling kind of crafty and adventurous, so I'm taking out my drawer because I'm going to do a little thing called decoupage. And what decoupaging is just gluing a piece of craft paper into a piece of furniture or canvas or anything really. So I found this gorgeous gift wrap paper at Marshall's. It's by Cynthia Rowley. I believe it was only $3, and what I like about it is that it's so colorful, springy, vibrant, and it's actually really thick, so it's perfect for this project. So now that I have the measurements on the side of my drawer, I'm going to cut it accordingly. To glue the wrapping paper onto my furniture, I am using some crafting glue, and the name is Podge. I will leave a picture over here. And this craft glue is perfect for this type of project. And now I am just setting my paper onto the furniture, and I'm using part of the foam to secure it. I'm also using a craft foam brush because it really distributes the glue really evenly. Again, I'm using a foam board just so that I can take away all of the bubbles that might be trapped, and also to set the paper properly. And I'm gluing also the edges. So I decided to organize my t-shirts by color. I wanted to color coordinate them, and it didn't really matter if I mixed and matched short sleeve with long sleeve. I just wanted them to be all the same color. So like I said in the intro of this video, we're going to be using Marie Kondo's method of folding, and that's the Konmari way. So I laid my tee down flat, and I'm folding the right side of my shirt vertically inwards, making sure there's no wrinkles, and then I am grabbing my sleeve and I'm folding it back, and then I'm grabbing the left side, overlapping it, and making a long rectangle, and I'm doing the same to the sleeve. And now I'm going to fold it halfway up, starting from the hem all the way to the neckline, and then do 2 more little folds upwards. You pretty much know when it's perfect and tight when you stand it up and it stays. In my second drawer, I have a lot of my workout tees, and I also have a lot of thick fabric, like outdoor fleecy type of long sleeve shirts. And because they're kind of bulky, I wanted to do less folds just so that they are a little bit thinner when folded and they stand taller. So I'm only folding twice. Also in the second drawer, I'm using these 2 boxes, and they're gift boxes, to neatly group my t-shirts. I got them on sale at Target at the Christmas shop for 90% off, and they were $3 and I only paid 30 cents. So we are going to stand our shirts like this, and they kind of resemble like the way that you file envelopes, and that's exactly what Marie Kondo taught us on her book. And this type of organizational system allows you to save space in your drawers by standing the clothes up, and also they look neater. You can also use a shoebox that you're not using or some plastic totes from the Dollar Tree. The point is to use whatever you have on hand. I also found some makeup subscription boxes that I found in my closet, and I'm going to repurpose them. I really love how it looks, and now I actually have more space for more workout shirts. So I was doing some laundry that day, and I realized that there were some more t-shirts in the wash. So I figured that I should use the prime vertical real estate that I didn't really utilize. So the way I'm going to do it is just grab all of the shirts that I already folded, take them out one by one, and fold them so that they're thinner and longer instead of being tighter and very short. So instead of doing 3 folds, I'm just going to do 1. And look, I'm going to show you one more time. Just 1 fold like that. And it makes it thinner and longer so you can fit more shirts. So as you can see, all my shirts now reach all the way to the top, but now because they are thinner, I have all of that space on the back. My third and last drawer holds my pajamas, so I'm going to show you how to fold some pajama pants. You're going to lay the pants on a flat surface and then fold the left leg over the right, and the little triangle, you're going to fold it inwards also. And then you're going to fold over the bottom towards the waist, and then fold inwards 2 times. Before I show you the interior of my drawers, I wanted to show you how gorgeous the outside looks. Before we're finished, this is the cherry on top. You are going to grab your favorite fragrance or perfume. Right now I am grabbing my essential oils because you guys know how much I love them. And I'm adding just a few drops to a cotton pad so that we can aromatize and freshen up our drawer. And I'm just adding a few drops of different oils that I think smell lovely. And to avoid contact with my clothes, I'm going to clip the cotton pad to the foam board with this clip that I found in my office. I also want to do the same for my other drawer, and my middle one is my sporty gym clothes, so I'm putting some energizing blends like citrus oils. My last drawer is my pajama drawer, so I'm putting some lavender oil in it. Having an organized and beautiful dresser will definitely put a smile on my face every morning when I wake up and I want to know what to wear. And it'll be fast and easy to pick up a shirt. You see, that's what organization is about: simplifying, optimizing your time management, and improving your overall quality of life by being stress-free. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.